Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Dell Wi-Fi is missing from here, it's not showing. Okay, so how to fix? So first method, click to start, type device manager, open it, then find out network. This is network, extract. So you can see wireless, Wi-Fi, VLAN, WLAN. So this is Wi-Fi name. Okay, just select this, right click to click this, and then click to uninstall. Okay, this is first method. Then next, click to start, click to actions, and then click scan hardware changes. Then again it will come. Then right click, click to property, click on power management. If it is this check, just uncheck it and then click to OK and then close it. Okay, then open it browser, then type in the Google search box Dell driver download, hit enter. After that it will come official website, first dell.com support. Okay, otherwise you can select also this one, driver and download. Then enter the model number, suppose you know. Okay, and otherwise you can detect automatically also. Okay, via Dell assist support. If you can allow this access this app service on this, then it will detect automatically. Okay, suppose you are using any, so you can enter the model number. So Dell Pro 14, like suppose this is your laptop. Scroll down, need to update the driver. Okay, click on specific driver. Okay, click on categorize. This is your laptop. Scroll down, find out network Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is Wi-Fi driver. Okay, and click to download. After that it will start downloading in the download box. Then it is completed, then just single click to open. Then continue. Now this is installing, it will take minimum 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can see MediaTek Wi-Fi driver, this is Wi-Fi driver is successfully updated, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.